Hey girls, how was trick-or-treating?
Good.
Really?
Yeah.
Who did you go trick-or-treating with tonight?
Jack and Owen.
And their mommy? What's their mommy's name?
I don't know.
Christy. Let me see all your candy. Dump it out. Wow. Now for Geneva, that is pretty good. That's because I'm wearing Versoix. And Versoix's got the
Let
good.
me see.
Honey, I'm videoing.
Chocolate coin.
No, it's probably not a chocolate coin. Honey, remember the lady that told you she gave you some money on Petit Espèce? Petit Espèce? Pour acheter quelque chose? What did she give you? Pièce. Oh! She gave you 2 francs. Pretty awesome. Okay, Coco, dump out your candy. So with 2 francs, we can buy something like a Kinder Egg.
Money can be exchanged for goods and services.
Coco, dump out your candy. I want to see how much you have. No, not just show me your candy. You're eating a lollipop. Yes, I know. It's 8:30 and you're eating lollipops. Here. After chocolate. Coco, dump out your bag. I want to see what's in your bag. No, no, no. Dump it out like this. Turn it over. Dump it out. Let's see what you have. Wow! There's more in there, isn't there? I think most of this candy is from Jack and Owen because they kept putting a lot in your bags because they were really cool guys, aren't they?
Funny too.
They're funny, yes.
Smile, girls. Smile for Daddy. Look up.
What is it? Is it a gummy? Coco, are you sorting it? Are you sorting out all the candy? That's pretty good. We only went to about 5 houses, maybe 6.
Mickey Mouse. Ooh, look what it is.
Is that a hard candy?
Yes.
Can you wrap it back up and save it for tomorrow?
Okay.
Thank you. All right. Did you finish your lollipop yet? Where is it? You need to finish that lollipop, okay? That's the only. You girls, once you're done with the lollipops, that's it for the candy for tonight.
Where's my bag?
Here you go. It's your pumpkin.
Mommy, I will put it on my lap.
No, don't put it on your lap. You have to finish eating it.
No, I don't like it.
Don't put it on the ground. No, don't put it on the ground. Okay. I guess I have to finish this lollipop. Fantastic.